All right, my friend, this is for Philip Rendon. This is for the 2013 Mercedes Benz C250. Regular customer. Just go ahead, test his emulator that we just programmed. So this is the ESL emulator that we just programmed, and this is a w207. Let's go ahead and plug it in real quick. All right. Come on, there you go. So you can see this is red, connecting properly. Let's get the original key fob. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it back here. Turn green. That means it'll start the car with no problem. Doesn't matter if you flip it over. Ready to go. All right, man. This is ready to go. To any of you guys have a problem with no starting with your Mercedes Benz GLK, E-Class, C-Class, just let me know. Mercedes Benz. This is W204. This is W207, W204, whatever it is. Message me. I can make you a key fob. I can program you a key fob or an ESL emulator if you need it. We can test it before we say you need an emulator, or you might need an EIS clone. Just let me know. Message me. Comment me on this. You can find me on Facebook, Auto Perlu, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.